Left side a consumer, right side a builder. So person on the left makes 10 lakhs and person on the right makes 50 lakhs. So today I'm going to show how to cross that line. So today we are going to build a chatbot that chats with your PDF. So you are going to use Python and OpenAI. So this sounds really hard, but it's actually really easy. So step one is to get your API key that you can get from OpenAI. If you want any help in that, you can write in description. And second step, you have to import the lang chain that is there. And you can also use others ones, but I prefer lang chain. And so the logic here is this is a RAG model. It takes your private data and it feeds it into LLM and gives you answer based on facts, not the hallucination or the assumptions that you have. So by looking at this particular thing, you have just built a tool that companies pay huge money for because they want LLM to chat on their private data. That is a huge market as of now still. And it takes less than 40 lines of code. But of course, if the project gets complex, there will be more data points, more data pipelines. So this is an example. So if you follow along, you already congratulations, you are ahead of the 99 people working as data analysts and data and AI. So we have a 21-day sprint that in that we build agents, RAG, fine-tune models. And if you want to be an AI engineer, anyone in AI and data domain, this is your boot camp. So link will be in description below. The code and everything, you can check it out in the link. Once you enroll, you can get it out. And if you want help or if you want any kind of particular information regarding it, you can write in description. I'll help you out in that. But this is the huge thing. Like you have to take step and you have to understand what is actually market demand. Because a lot of people don't know, they will just go to any particular LLM, ask what is trending right now. But the people who are actually working in the domain, the people who are actually in it, like me, will know what is actually working in the domain. So you have to understand that part. That is where the business domain, the business understanding, the business context comes in. You can't just feed that to LLM and expect it to understand that. So you have to realize that.